City class to get to security lights mondo do pin level of security.
Duol ma kedo gi mibadhi e pachoka EACC otwak gi riwruok mar kanise kaunti ma Meru mar jiwo chenro mag kedo gi mibadhi kod nyayo kido makare. Chenro no ma otele kod komishona mar EACC John Ogalo wacho ni giriwore gi kanise kedo kod mibadhi ni mar jogo matimo mibadhi romo e kanise kendo kanisa ni okang' mamalo mar jiwo kedo kod mibadhi kokalo e neno ni kido bedo makare kido ganda. Komishona mar EACC bade ma Eastern wacho ni Meru en achiel kuom counties manigi buge kata manie buge mang'eny mag yako lope kod tiyo marach gi mwandu mag piny owacho.
We are working together with the faith sector to promote the standards of ethics and integrity, and to work with them to help change behavior in society. And we think this is one very big effort that if we can succeed in this area, it will go a long way. It's not just a matter of law enforcement and other activities that the Commission undertakes, but one of the most important elements, of course, is prevention. If we can prevent corrupt behavior from taking place, I think we'll be succeeding a great deal, as opposed to just waiting until people have done things and then we engage law enforcement.
In Meru, we are doing quite a number in the region. We have over 21 cases which are in various courts in the region, in the Upper Eastern region. In Meru, I recall we have quite a number of parcels in Mlimani area, which are in the various stages in the court that we are seeking to recover. In Isiolo, we have a very large parcel of land which the Commission is pursuing, which belongs to the Kenya prisons. For those of you who are aware of Isiolo, as you go to Marisabit, there's a very big chunk of land there, and we have gone to court and we want to recover that. It's worth over 700 million Kenya shillings as valued now.
Our community, our followers can understand, and our faith leaders can preach against corruption. Because as you are aware, the church hosts or the mosque hosts all type of people. The affected, the person who has stolen, and the provider. They all come to the church, and that is the opportunity we are being given to spread.
Governor mar County ma Bungoma Kenneth Lusaka ochako chenro